Today I'm going to show you how to make jerk sausage rolls. You will need 320 grams of puff pastry, 350 grams of sausage meat, all 6 sausages, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning, and as an optional 1 tablespoon of chilli flakes, depending on how spicy you like your sausage rolls. To start with, you want to put your sausage meat into a bowl, and if using sausages you want to remove the skins first. Then add your jerk seasoning and give it a really good mix until well combined. Then you want to roll out your puff pastry. I have bought pre-rolled pastry, but if you were to buy a block of puff pastry, just flour your work surface before rolling it out. And then to your rectangle of puff pastry, you just want to cut it in the middle to make 2 long, thin rectangles. And then add your sausage meat mixture to the middle of each rectangle, leaving space either side. Then, having pre-beaten the egg, you just want to egg wash one side of each of the rectangles. Then fold over the puff pastry, pressing down along the sides. And using a fork, just press along the sides of each of your puff pastry sides. Not only does it make it look nice, but it also helps seal the sides better. Then you want to cut your sausage rolls into the size pieces that you want. I went for bite size, but you can go for full size if you want. And then arrange these on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Then, using the remaining egg, just egg wash the top of each of your sausage rolls. And if using, sprinkle the chilli flakes on top. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 30 to 35 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make jerk sausage rolls.